gonna go hiking and I'm gonna film the experience. Are you ready?
Yeah, please watch where you're going. I don't want us to start off falling down the stairs.
Stay tuned. We will be climbing one of these, maybe.
Maybe not all the way to the top.
But pretty darn close. We'll see how it goes. So, we took the wrong trail.
Yeah.
And now we're near water. And it was very intense. How far do you actually think we walked?
I mean, probably like 2 miles.
Because my watch is only saying like 0.6.
Right.
And if that's the
literally
case,
stop once.
we are some big chunguses.
I mean, I'm already dead. I'm already exhausted.
But it's pretty. Hold on. There's water. A bridge.
You can kind of see how high up we are, and where we came from.
Yeah.
I don't know if you need to zoom or something.
Oh, I will. That's how far we are from things. Civilization. I could hit you over the head with a rock right now, and no one would know.
Fucking dare you.
I hope that that's not where we're going. Then I am surely gonna die. Do you have any testimonials? That makes one of us. Alright, let's head back to the trail. Kill me now. Alright, we finished the trail.
Yeah.
I wanna die.
Me too.
How was it though? How was the view?
It was what?
How was the view?
It was good. It was my first time all the way up there.
On the waterfall?
Yeah, all the way up to the waterfall.
Yep.
It was pretty good.
It was really nice. And now we're gonna go home, shower, eat, maybe sleep.
Probably sleep.
How do I turn this on?